Okay, let's say we are asked to find the integral of this function. Integrate 4x plus 2. 4x plus 2 raised to the power of 4 dx. We are asked to integrate this function. Now, the first step in integrating this function is that you have to set u equals to the function inside the bracket. Okay? Now, the function inside this bracket is 4x plus 2. So, I'm going to have let u equals to 4x plus 2. You understand? Now, the next step is that you have to take the derivative of u with respect to x. So, I'm going to have du all over dx is equals to 4. You understand? Having done this, the next step is that you have to make the x the subject of the relation. Okay? So, in that case, I'm going to have du equals to 4 multiplied by dx. You understand? To make the x the subject of the relation, you have to divide both sides by 4. Okay? So, I'm going to have this divided by 4 and this divided by 4. Hence, the x is equals to du all over 4. Now, since we have let u equals to 4x plus 2, that means that this integration function can be written like this. Because u equals to 4x plus 2, I'm going to have u raised to the power of 4. Now, dx is equals to du over 4. So I'm going to have du all over 4. Now, I can rewrite this as 1 over 4, put the integration sign, then u raised to the power of 4 du. You understand? Now, let us integrate u raised to the power of 4. If you integrate x raised to the power of 4, that will be what? X raised to the power of 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1. Okay? Now, if you integrate u raised to the power of 4, okay, add the arbitrary constant. If you integrate u raised to the power of 4, you are going to have u raised to the power of 4 will give us u raised to the power of 4 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1, which is equals to u raised to the power of 5 all over 5. Okay? So, for this, I'm going to have 1 over 4 multiplied by, now, u raised to the power of 5 all over 5 plus c. Okay? So, for this, I'm going to have 1 over 4. Okay, now this 5 will multiply this 4. So, I'm going to have 1 over 20 multiplied by u raised to the power of 5 plus c. Now, don't forget that u is equals to 4x plus 2. So, I can substitute u as 4x plus 2. So, I'm going to have 4x plus 2 all over 20 plus c, which is the integration of 4x plus 2 raised to the power of 4 dx. Okay? So, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And you can listen, you can rewrite this function. You can rewrite this function as this. Let me erase this. You can rewrite this as 1 over 20. Just put this in bracket, 4x plus 2, then plus c. Anyhow, it's still the same thing, okay? It's just that I use this 1 over 20 to multiply 4x plus 2 here. So I have 4x plus 2 over 20. Nevertheless, it's still the same. You are still having the same answer, okay? So